Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So dear children, I hope you have read the lesson and I have given you some work in lesson number 7 for what we are learning, keep fit subject. So keep fit subject for 6 students, lesson number 7. What was our lesson we were learning? Leaders and followers. Leaders and followers. Have you read the lesson or not? I have given you some work also in page number 39. Identify the followings. This is the person's names you have to identify and write. So this one you have to write all their names in your textbook. That you can send to me. So now let us continue the lesson. What we have learned? What is the how can be a good leader? The next one, what is the leadership? How can the leader, what are the qualities the leader has? That all we have seen in the last class. So today let us see how to be a good leader. How to be a good leader. So how can be a good leader? So they have given you some questions there. Ask yourself some questions. So what are that questions? Can I trust people? The first one is you have to ask himself since you are a monitor of the class. First of all you have to question yourself. What is the first question you can ask them? Can I trust? So the trust the people. So trust people. So can you trust the people? The next one, what you have to ask yourself, am I good? So am I doing the best? So doing the best. So doing the best. So are you doing the best for the people or not? That's the question you have to ask. The next one, what you have to ask, then how you communicate, means how you do your task. Any task they have given, the task. So how you are taking a task. So task how you are taking. And one again you can ask yourself how you take care about others. About others care and all you can. So about others how you take care and all. How you are taking care. Care and all you have to see. The next one, what you have to remember that how you can take care of others. The next one, am I willing to take a bold stand? So about the bold stand. So all these questions you have to question yourself. Trust people. So can people trust you or not? Can they trust or can you trust the people? Can I trust the people? So how you can trust or not? Another, how best you are doing. So whatever am I doing a best, means whatever the works as a monitor, as a leader, are you giving your best or not? All the things are you doing in a best way or not? Then next one, you have to ask, am I committed to the task? So task, what is the task for you here? Making as a leader, suppose in the classroom, monitor. The monitor task is what? The monitor has to make everybody to sit in silently and complete their works and to be responsible. The classroom should be very neat and tidy. All these things the monitor has to take care. So as a monitor, are you completing? And as a leader of the nation. So what is their work? They have to see how the people are living. Are they giving all the facilities what the people needed exactly? Not having the partiality there. So for some, those who are here in India, what is those who are rich, day by day they are rich only. So they are keeping their wealth, so money, everything happy. Those who are poor, every day by day they are going down only. So there is, when the poor people are coming up only, we can say it is a developing. So So only the rich people are increasing their amount and they are keeping their looking at about themselves. Means how can we say that it is a developing country? Cannot say. So when the poor people are coming up, only we can say it is a developing country. So that way the leader has to take a task, whatever the task they have given. As you go to the class, whatever the first day, the teacher will be giving you, principal will be giving you all the things what you are supposed to do, how to keep. So all the tasks, whatever they are given, are you completing or what? Are you doing or not? That thing. The next one, do I care about the others? So are you taking care of others in the classroom? So many are there, 40 students, 45. Are you taking care of everybody or not? Or only taking care of your friends, looking after your friends are completing copy, your friends are getting or not food. Not that. In the classroom, everyone you have to see how they are sitting, how they are while eating. Are they eating everybody or not? Are they sitting silently or not? And are they completing in the class copies or not? Given work done or not? Everything is a duty of the monitor. The monitor has to take care of all these things. Then only the classroom will be neat and tidy. The next one, am I willing to take a bold? Means any bold stand means anything happened in the school or in the classroom. So some mistakes or somebody has done or by you. Are you protecting them? Are you standing by them or not? If any problem is there, the person is not feeling well. So are you going and giving a support to that particular person? Or just you are thinking about yourself? Why should I go? If I go, then I will be blamed there. Why? When you are doing the correct thing, no need to get fear. When you cheat or when you do any wrong thing, then you have to be have fear. So that automatically it will come in our heart. But when we are doing the correct thing, we should stand boldly there and we have to give our best. Then only you can be. So that you have to think that are you doing. So all these things should be in you. So when you are completing in this, you as a leader, every leader has a question. When you get for all the question yes, then we can say you are a good leader. If instead of that, some of the questions you are not at all. So improve yourself. As a leader, what to do and all, you can improve the next time. The second down, action plan for the good leadership. So action plan for the good leadership. How can be a good leader? So get involved. So first one is what they are telling here. Action plan. Get involved. What? Get involved. So you have to be involved in all the matters. How? Get involved in the task. Give the task and you complete that work. You no need to stand and order. You also have to be involved in that. If any task is going on in the classroom or anything they have given, you are a monitor for that. You are a leader. Leader means you no need to make them to do. You also have to involve in that task. You have to be involved and you also have to share your only give idea you do in this way, then your work is not over. You also give idea and you have to apply that idea as an action. So that for that your hand also should be there. No need to ordering others. You also have to be with that part of that particular. So you have to use your efforts there. How much efforts you are using yourself. So that get involved. The next one is what they are telling. Accept responsibilities. Accept responsibilities. So you have to be as a responsible person. You have to accept. Take a intention. So you have to take the step. Innovative rather than the wait for someone to give your responsibilities. Do not wait for a badge or a title of the leader. So, and be accountable for your actions. So what, I did not get monitor badge, so I will not be involved. No, you should not say it that way. You have to be involved within that, and don't wait for the name. The name, when you will get the name, when you do your work exactly, then you will get them. Responsibilities means the responsible. Nobody should come and remind you that you are a monitor, you do that work, you are doing, you are a leader, you have to take care of this. Nobody will come and they should not come and give you the responsibility. You yourself has to take. So when you take as a person, don't wait for the titles or don't wait for the badge. Somebody should appreciate me, then only I will do my work. All that things you should not be done. The next one is, third one is what? Service. So third one, what we have to do? Serve. Serving the people. So how you can give your time for others. Like if you want to be a good leader, learn the joy of serving. So you have to serve the people. How you can serve the people? If anybody is in need, if they need your help, immediately you have to help them. I have no time. If anybody, poor student is there in the class, if they have any doubt, now not, later, you should not avoid them. You have to take your own time and help the person who is in need of you. So the line that you have to serve, you have to give your time for others also. Then only they will call you as a good leader, good monitor, they will be calling you. Then be prepared to take a stand. So you have to be prepared to take a stand. Next one. How you can identify 3 areas where you could take a stand. So where are the 3 places you can take a stand? Means very weak or in the class any problem is there you have to stand. Let me complain. So you have to take the people, involve the people with you, then you lead them. You also do, when you do the things, automatically others also will be doing. Then last one is what? Evaluate yourself. So you have to evaluate yourself. How you will be, how much I am doing, am I completing all my works or not? You have to do your works, personal works, and you have to take care of the other as a leader, what you are supposed to do. How you have to take care of other people, how they need, according to their needs and their work. Everything you have to involve, and you have to make others to be involved in that particular work. In this way, you have to evaluate yourself how you are good. Then you will finally will know how much. And down they have given a good leader and a false leader. So that you can see. Good leader gives the support. Other one controls the people. We should never control, or we should not talk, or only I will talk, you have to listen, nothing. The leader also should listen to the people. The leader has to listen. The leader has to ask them what is your problem. The next one, you have to put your own efforts there to do that, and you have to inspire them, and you have to give boosting of them. Everything you have to do. So get feedback, how I am doing, is it okay, anything I have to improve myself, anywhere I am doing less, or any partiality am I doing. All these things you have to take a feedback from the people. All these things you have to do, then only you can call as a good leader. Till now we have learned how a good leader can be. The next one is how can we good so leader qualities we have learned. And now how to be a good team member. So the team member, how can be a good team member? So there are also some. So the first one is what? Trust. Trust. The next one is what they are telling? Respect. What is that? Respect. The third one, opinions. Opinions. Next, fourth one, acceptance. The next what is the positive approaching. What is that? Positive approaching. Positive approach. The next, last but not least, be ethics. So be ethical. So all are the main things. The trust, the leader should trust, the member should trust the leader. Then respect. Respect yourself and others. You have to respect your leader and you have to respect others who is leading you, and be a friendly within your team. Whomever is there, you have to be friendly and give respect. And opinions. Be willing to listen the opinions of others, and you also give some suggestions, and you should have patience of listening others also. And acceptance. Accept your friends and other team members. Whomever, if you don't like, I don't like that, don't say like that. In your team, whomever they all are your team members. So you have to accept them as your own friends and your team. Then a positive approaching. Look for the solutions, and you have to, if any problem is there, you have to take the problem to the leader and take the problem to your team members and discuss. Then you go to the leader. So within your team, you should, friendly approachment should be the positive approachment. The next one, do not means moral values or honesty and all the things. You have to be ethics means mainly you have to be good. Moral values you should keep. How to respect, how to treat others, everything you should have in your mind. These are all the things of the good team member. So dear children, this is the lesson I have completed. I hope you have understood the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can read the textbook, then it will be clear. If you want, you can ask me also. Thank you all.